Throughout history, humanity has been fascinated by the unknown. Ghosts, those mysterious apparitions that haunt our imaginations, have appeared in folklore, mythology, and even personal experiences. But can science truly explain them? Today, we dive into the world of the paranormal and uncover the science behind what we call ghosts. Hey everyone, welcome back to WorldWeNext. In today's video, we're exploring one of the most controversial topics in both science and popular culture: ghosts. Are they real? Are they just a trick of the mind? Or could there be something else going on? Let's find out. 1. The history of ghost sightings. Ghost sightings have been reported across the world for centuries. From ancient Egypt to the haunted castles of Europe, these experiences often share common themes: cold spots, shadowy figures, and strange sounds. But as fascinating as these stories are, science tells us there's usually more to the story. Now, before we jump to conclusions, it's important to note that most ghost stories rely heavily on personal experiences and anecdotal evidence. But as we'll see, science offers some intriguing explanations that might make you rethink those ghostly encounters. 2. The psychology behind ghosts. One of the leading scientific explanations for ghost sightings comes from the field of psychology. Our brains are wired to recognize patterns, especially faces. This phenomenon is called pareidolia, when we perceive familiar shapes in random stimuli, like seeing a face in the clouds or a shadow in the corner of your eye. What's even more interesting is how our brain responds to fear. When we're in a state of heightened alertness, say, alone in a dark room, our mind can play tricks on us. We become more sensitive to the slightest noise or movement, which can make us think something, or someone, is there. 3. Sleep paralysis. Have you ever woken up, unable to move, with the terrifying sensation that a dark presence is looming over you? This is known as sleep paralysis, and it's one of the most common explanations for ghostly encounters. During sleep paralysis, your body is stuck between sleep and wakefulness, often causing hallucinations and a sense of dread. Studies suggest that these episodes can feel incredibly real, making it easy to believe that something paranormal is happening. But in reality, it's your brain processing the transition between sleep stages. 4. Environmental factors. Another explanation for ghost sightings lies in the environment itself. Old buildings often have drafts, creaky floors, and electrical issues, which can cause strange sounds or flickering lights. These things, combined with a spooky atmosphere, can easily be mistaken for ghostly activity. But there's also a more bizarre explanation: low-frequency sound waves. Known as infrasound, these waves are below the threshold of human hearing but can cause feelings of unease, chills, and even hallucinations. Some scientists believe that infrasound, produced by things like wind or faulty machinery, could be responsible for many haunted locations. 5. The science of electromagnetic fields, EMF. Finally, there's the concept of electromagnetic fields, or EMF. Some ghost hunters use EMF detectors to locate spirits, but scientists suggest that high levels of electromagnetic radiation can actually interfere with the brain, causing symptoms like nausea, dizziness, and paranoia, factors that could make someone think they're experiencing a ghostly presence. Interestingly, studies have shown that areas with fluctuating EMF levels, like near electrical wiring, are often reported as haunted. Could it be that some ghost sightings are just the result of electrical disturbances? So, what do? Thanks for watching.